Hello students, I am teacher Sam. Today you will learn about animals. But before we start, let's watch a video about Old MacDonald. Are you ready kids? Come on, let's watch and sing.
Control! Hey MacDonald, here we go, E-I-E-I-O. Hey MacDonald, here we go, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba.
With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Hey MacDonald, here we go, E-I-E-I-O. Hey MacDonald, here we go, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink.
Ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba.
With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink.
Ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba,
Everywhere a ba-ba. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink.
Ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba.
With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. 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 E-I-E-I-O.
Before we start, here are the vocabulary words. Pet animals, farm animals, parrot, dog, cat, rabbit, goldfish, cow, horse, duck, chicken, and pig. Now we have pet animals and farm animals. For our first sentence structure, I will ask you what animal is it? And your answer should be is a blank. For this example, you will say is a parrot. Can you repeat that? Is a parrot. Very good. For the second sentence structure, is a blank, a pet animal or a farm animal, and your answer should be is a blank. For this example, you will say is a pet animal. Can you repeat that? Is a pet animal. Good job! Now you will learn about pet animals. Pet animals are animals that are kept for person's company or entertainment. Some examples are parrot, dog, cat, rabbit, and goldfish. Now kids, what animal is it? What's your answer? Good job! It's a dog. And how about, is a dog a pet animal or a farm animal? Tell me your answer. Excellent! It's a pet animal. How about, what animal is it? Tell me your answer. Yes, it's a cat. Now, is a cat a pet animal or a farm animal? Tell me your answer. Wow, correct. It's a pet animal. And then, what animal is it? Good job! It's a rabbit. And is a rabbit a pet animal or a farm animal? What's your answer? Wow! It's a pet animal. And finally, what animal is it? Tell me your answer, kids. Great! It's goldfish. Is a goldfish a pet animal or a farm animal? That's correct. It's a pet animal. Now you will learn about farm animals. Farm animals are animals raised on farms for their meat and dairy products. Some examples are cow, horse, duck, chicken, and pig. Now we will practice again our sentence structure. What animal is it? Tell me your answer. Yes, it's a cow. And how about, is a cow a pet animal or a farm animal? What's your answer? Correct. It's a farm animal. You are doing good, kids. Now, what animal is it? Again. Very good. It's a horse. And how about, is a horse a pet animal or a farm animal? Tell me your answer. Very good. It's a farm animal. And then I have this question. What animal is it? Again, it's a duck. Correct. Is a duck a pet animal or a farm animal? What's your answer? Wonderful. It's a farm animal. We are almost done. So, what animal is it? Again? Correct. It's a chicken. And is a chicken a pet animal or a farm animal? What's your answer? Good job! It's a farm animal. Finally, what animal is it? Tell me your answer. Good job! It's a pig. Is a pig a pet animal or a farm animal? One more time. Yes, it's a farm animal. Good job! So kids, I hope that you learned something new today about pet animals and farm animals. I will give you some worksheets for you to work on. Remember to watch this video again and practice this sentence structure, okay? This is Teacher Sam saying goodbye. See you next video. Bye.